Good day, New York. Welcome back to the channel, Mex USA Walks. Today we're going to be doing Cornelia Street. Again, guys, this is only a small street. It's only one block. Let me show you where I am first. So, this is 6th Avenue, Avenue of the Americas, heading north. Avenue of the Americas, 6th Avenue, south. Let me show you where I am, guys. And this one is Cornelia Street, where we're gonna go. And that is West 4th Street. So let me show you again, guys, where I am. Again, 6th Avenue, West 4th Street, 6th Avenue. Our destination, Cornelia Street and West 4th Street. Again, guys, I'm gonna be closing the second on this one. We're gonna start here and we're gonna finish here. And we start the journey now. West 4th Street, Cornelia Street, West 4th Street. Heading westbound. Let me see. Mixteca, Mexico. Mixteca. Again, guys, this is another one, another of those one blocks. Cornelia Street is only one block long. So I'm gonna go slow so you can see what's in here. And you have Madonna here. They forgot to put the MA. And that there is Christina's Place. I think it's a restaurant. And check out the other side, guys. They have an old house, and it says Waverly. See, Waverly. And we keep going. And I'll show you the other side when we come back again, eastbound. And that there line is for the Slayer show tonight. Slayer. That's what this line is for the Slayer tonight. So you see, this line here, this line is supposed to see Slayer tonight, live. And that is Cornelia Street Laundromat. Now check this out, guys, see? And the sidewalks have been, well, yeah, the sidewalks are kind of narrow here. Very narrow. This is the National Register of Historic Places. Oh, check it out. So this is the one. National Register of Historic Places, 35 Cornelia Street. And that is Tacombi. That's on the country, Mexico. ¿Ves? El sabor de México. Oh, check it out, guys, see? His and hers. If you guys ever noticed, I mean, those who are like about my age, back in the 70s, late 70s, there was a show called Three's Company. And in the song, this way, his and hers, his and hers. That's how I know that one. Coming up at Cornelia Street, Bleecker Street. But first, we gotta cross the street so we can close the circuit now. And that is Trattoria. And this is Fico's Italian Specialties. And now we go back eastbound on Cornelia Street. And again, this is Taco Cerveza, Tacombi, 255 Bleecker Street. Tacombi. This is from the Patria, Mexico. See? From my other country, Mexico. See? Eating, takeout, Tacombi, el sabor de Mexico. The taste of Mexico. And that is a laundry dry cleaner. Okay. Wow, dude, that is not a dog. That's a horse. Check it out, guys. That's not a dog. That's a horse. And this is Palma, like Palm Beach, Florida. Again, that line back there, guys, that's for the Slayer show tonight. The Slayer is gonna play there tonight. The mighty Slayer. And check it out, guys. See? That is, man. That almost looks like Spanish colonial, guys. Check it out. That almost the facade looks like Spanish colonial. And then here we have De l'Anima. That's Italian. De l'Anima. This is Le Gigot. I think, yeah, it's French. It's French. Check it out, guys. Yeah. I don't know. It says Waverly. I don't know what. It's part of a theater, I think. I don't know. Wow. Anyways, yeah. And check out the writing on the wall, guys. Nice. We got a flying pig. Go figure. Looks like they got a thing for pigs here. Flying and non-flying. I think this is like a what they do, a gallery. That's what they do, a gallery. I'm trying to show you as much as I can. Oh, guys, check it out. See, now that is truly Spanish. The facade, check it out. And you know why I know? Because it says Seville, and Seville is located in Spain, which they're playing right now against Belgium. Right now they're tied 1-1. But you see the facade. It's 100% Spaniard and Mexican, because that's how, you know, we came from the Spaniards. So yeah, so it says Seville, and Seville is located in Spain. So the facade is all Spain and Mexican right there. Nice. And again, guys, with the cone head type things up there. We'll keep going. That one is Seville Studios. I don't know if it's like for music or any other type of stuff. Photography, modeling, I don't know. But that's definitely Spanish Mexican. De la raza. From both España y Mexico. And speaking of Mexico, we got something called the Mixteca. Back from the country, de Mexico. Mixteca. De los Aztecas. Simón y sin limón. Guys, thanks for watching the video. And here, we gotta say goodbye to the video. And I will see you all, guys, some one time. Bye.